The scenario is all about a Filipino family is visiting an Argentine family for dinner. The Argentine hosts are eager to share their culture, while the Filipino guests are excited to learn about Argentine customs, greetings, meals, language, and general etiquette.
The scene takes place in the living room and dining area of Argentine home. The Filipino family has arrived for a dinner gathering. It is greeted by Argentine host.
Bienvenidos, welcome to our home. Please come in.
Thank you for inviting us, Chris Main. We are very happy to be here.
Here in Argentina, we greet the guests and friends with 2 kisses on cheeks. It's a sign of warmth and respect, especially in our homes.
So this is how you greet your people here. It's little different from back home, but I like it.
Yes, it might be a bit new, but it's quite common here. Don't worry, it's not too formal, but just friendly. This feels nice. I think we should do this in the Philippines too. Before we begin, let's make a toast first. In Argentina, we customary start the meal with a drink, and it's usually common here.
No, come on.
Thank you. Is it okay to start now or we have to wait for someone else to say something?
It's perfectly fine, Zoe. You simply toast our glasses and say salute to everyone to good health.
There you go. Salute to new friendships and experiences.
Salud! Salud. This one is amazing.
Yes, Malbecs are national wine. It's a tradition here in Argentina, the culture, and we enjoy it with most meals, especially during gatherings.
And what is this green sauce? It
Ah.
looks delicious.
That's chimichurri. It's a classic Argentine sauce made of garlic, vinegar, oil, and parsley.
Everything looks so delicious. In the Philippines, we have similar ways of enjoying food with family and friends. Long meals are an important tradition. Susunod.
Exactly. Meals in Argentina aren't rushed. We like to sit down, enjoy the food, and talk for hours. It's all about spending time, quality time with the people around us.
That's very similar to what we do in the Philippines. We have a big family meals where we sit and talk for hours.
Here in Argentina, we take our time with the food. Don't feel like you have to rush. And remember, we always eat with a fork and knife, but right now, we consider this because it's also common. And even for things like empanadas and sandwiches.
Also, it's polite to wait for the host to serve the first plate or first glass of wine before serving yourself.
This food is good. It's different from our food, but the flavors are incredible. In Argentina, we believe that food is a reflection of our culture. Sharing meals is a way of showing love, and that's why we always make sure to have plenty of food when we serve people.
This tastes amazing. The flavors is so fresh.
We take a lot of pride in our grilled food, especially sausages and meats. It's a tradition called asado. It's Argentine barbecue. And it's something we're very passionate about.
I've noticed that you really value, making time together?
Yes, exactly. It's about the connection and just the food. That's why we usually took 4 hours at the dinner table.
It's been wonderful sharing our culture with you all night. We hope you felt at home here.
We have a wonderful time here and we've learned a lot for teaching us about your traditions.
It has been such a pleasure having you all here tonight. We truly enjoyed sharing our home and culture with you.
And we feel so blessed to have been welcomed so warmly. Thank you, Angel, Chrisme, and Shallow. Your hospitality is unforgettable.
We hope this is just the first of many visits. In Argentina, once you've been to someone's home, you're no longer just a guest, you're part of the family.
That means a lot of us. You are made us feel at home.
That's the spirit of Argentina. Good food, good stories, and good friends. And don't be strangers. Next time, we'll have a full asado ready for you.
This was amazing. I will remember everything, the food, the warmth, and the chimichurri.
Yeah. And maybe even the cheap kisses?
Definitely.
Gracias. That means thank you, right?
Perfectly said, Liza.
Hasta luego. We hope to welcome you to the Philippines someday so we can return the kindness.
That would be wonderful. We'd love to experience your culture too.
Take care on your way. And remember, in Argentina, the door is always open for friends.
Bye.